Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Wii. Many gamers wonder if this is possible, given Fortnite's massive popularity. However, it's important to understand that Fortnite is a modern, graphically intensive online game. The Nintendo Wii, while a beloved console, was released many years ago and has a very different technical architecture. This fundamental difference means that playing Fortnite directly on a Wii console isn't a straightforward process, and in fact, it's not natively supported. Let's dive into why the Wii isn't equipped for Fortnite. The Wii's central processor and graphics chip were designed for games of its era, not for the complex environments and fast-paced action of Fortnite. Modern games require significantly more computational power and advanced graphical rendering. Furthermore, the Wii's internet connectivity, often relying on older Wi-Fi standards, isn't robust enough to handle the constant, high-bandwidth data transfer needed for a smooth online Fortnite experience. These technical gaps are quite substantial. You might wonder about workarounds like emulation or cloud streaming. Unfortunately, trying to emulate a game like Fortnite on the Wii's hardware simply isn't feasible. The console lacks the raw power to run such demanding software. Cloud gaming services, which stream the game to your device, also present significant challenges. They require a very stable and high-speed internet connection, often 25 megabits per second or more, and the Wii's network capabilities generally fall short of these requirements, making a smooth streaming experience unlikely. So, if you're eager to play Fortnite, what are your best options? The good news is that Fortnite is widely available on many modern platforms. You can enjoy the game on current PlayStation and Xbox consoles, as well as the Nintendo Switch. For those who prefer PC gaming, it runs great on most personal computers. Additionally, Fortnite is accessible on many mobile devices, offering a convenient way to play on the go. These platforms provide the best experience for this exciting game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.